everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know if you have subscribed here before. Thank you. God bless you. My people, I want to talk about friends. Friends. Oh, you see, this friend of a thing, it take by the grace of God before you fit see the kind person wey go be like you. It dey very hard. You know, it dey very hard before you fit see person like you. It dey very hard because why I dey talk am? You get one video when I see where the woman they do wedding. So somebody just share the video reach where I did. Say, Mama, talk about this video with your friends, they do person, you know. I just see the video. I was like, you know, not be everybody when you say me, can follow you up, and I be your friend, my people. More now they know because you know, say you they make friend, you the say that person be like you, now your friend. That lie. If you show you who he really be, you will shock. You say, this person, this is not my friend though. My dear, not everybody will follow you laugh, not be your friend. When I see the video, I was like, people did this word though. The woman they do wedding, she did dance. If you see the happiness, the way the woman say they dance, they shake your body, they dance. If you see the way the other woman say they look at me, I put the video because of the music way there. I not just know how they put that video. I put a moon and if you see the way this woman take the look, the woman way they do the wedding, if you now see the bad eye, and that one just the dancing, you never even know. And then I was surprised that her best friend do. She go feel say they happy with her. You need to see the eye, way they look the woman. You need to see the way they look the woman with bad eye. Like seriously, my people. He just did look calm. He did look calm with bad eye. Later, he come back smile small. He come back embrace them. When I see that video, I was like, I'm not surprised because sometimes they make friends. You feel say that person like you. No, not like you. Me, I don't make that kind of friend, Sometimes I dey cash out the way they use bad eye to look me. So if I reach us, I'll say, God, why this girl they behave like this? Does it mean not be the way they follow her? They follow me. Sometimes I will just cash her. When you go see me, you go come back and repair your face. You know, why pretend the way you don't like that person? Why? I don't understand though. As me be, if I don't like friend, I don't feel pretend follow her more. If I don't like that person, I don't feel pretend on the follow her. Why? I don't feel use bad eye to look my friend. If I dey follow person, I be free person. I like to just use all my mind to follow person. I dey use all body. I dey use everything to dey follow friends. But if I find that, maybe the way I tell they follow you, they follow me, I go wrong. Because that kind of friend, if you not wrong, if he poison you one day, and they always talk am. If you dey follow friends, you see, they notice and say that friend not like you, my dear, run. Buffam. Just buffam, my dear. Buffam, because me and a person be say friend not they favor me like that. So if I just find that, say, like when I see that word, I was like, people did this word though. Even I see the bad guy by people, this will not be say, that hatred, like this woman they married, so you just they look calm. They look calm. Like seriously. If you don't like the woman, why you go the marriage? You will not go. Yeah. So people just they. What did make me they do this video be say? Mind the kind of people you they make with. Just mind the kind of people where you follow, make friend. Because not be everybody like you. Not be everybody. Now you want follow you make friend when you go the happy, when you say you they progress. Not be everybody. I want whether they fail to understand be say. If you appeal for somebody, better thing will come your way. But when you know that they happy for person, better thing will come your way. Maybe one thing one and not understand my people. I dey really like sometimes I dey wonder say God, what did them about when some people be say they envy me sometimes. Me I know they know. Really, how they say because some people person when you go even call your own friend, when you go see the way you go to the behave, so you say you go shock. I say I don't make that kind of friend. Maybe say sometimes I'll just cash and the way go to the look me with bad eye for back. I'll say this is the friend they be say I they do everything for. I go see the surprise. Say what you make because why? Why be say some people feel pretend follow you with that? That is how they surprise sometimes, really. When I just see this marriage, I say, bang bang. Okay, everybody will follow you, play, not be your friend though. Just mind the way you make friends. Some people they make friends with you, though they envy you. You don't go no. Even this common YouTube, when they do so. I know the way some people can't even take the verse for me. I know you know when they follow friends, when you say you do something, you know they follow you, they happy. You know they do one with you. You know say that person not like you. Just know say that person once they not like you, not like you. Me na one person will be say if I follow person me friend then, even though somebody tell me say both this person, I don't they both at that time. But when I will come really see the real house, okay, I have to avoid this person. And so me view, and so me say they follow me out. And so me say they make my old friend. You when they watch me, I don't know why you say they do your own, but for me, and so me say they do my own things. When somebody will tell me again before I will run for my life. Yeah. So, but say pretend call the follow person, I don't know how to do that. I can't because just to see me so I know some people person for mind. That is free person now just be free. If you want to say I get problem with somebody, just know say that person now you offend me. Because if I follow friend, even those I feel even though I'm small picking, I senior am, but I will still come down for them. But when I go find that, you know, this friendship of 18, so people make friends with you because they are lowly. So people make friends with you because that time they don't see where I go. I just follow this person. Immediately they see who they keep their company. You not be arm again. Yeah. You not be arm again. You just know, say that person make friends with you because he did lowly that time. Or it's either you don't get husband that time, he will be friend with you. Immediately he gets that husband, you know, you will come be bad person to her. You not gonna look you like somebody again. You will come just day bad to her. Any small thing use. If you in fact, if they follow person, you're supposed to know whether that person like you or not like you. Yeah. Because when you go not see person, you go see say he character go come change. You say, okay, now I understand. This person he just they follow you because you don't see where you go that time. You go say, man, I feel get person. Immediately you just see, you go say, this my friend not be am again though. But then they get her wrong in the other way because you see me where they see so pretend 9 minutes pass. Pretender 9 minutes pass. They can pretend for Africa. They can pretend for Nigeria. They can pretend because of that thing. They can even drive your friends, tell and say, I know what. Maybe they follow that person waka again. They can do it. All because they want to win the woman heart. Because you know, say that a friend, maybe that a friend feel they see all those things where in go they do. We go so yeah, run for her. So may they like that. So my dear, this friendship of 18, if you they watch me, like you say friendship, not the favor you move. Follow your husband, your children, they follow the new friend though. For me, who friend help. Not be these people will be say they do social media, Lolo and Monica will be say everybody know will be best friend. Even me, I they jealous their friendship that time. But today now go. So they won't go. Everybody don't share Gary. So friendship, don't the kind of put for head though. You get where you go reach. If you say enough it again, go farm. Move on. In fact, if you go notice how you go even notice how this is when I tell leave this person, this is what I don't achieve. it's like she said they even they block your blessings. Yeah. So just pretend say you never facing that kind of person for your life. You don't ever face that kind of person. Yeah. So some people make friends with you because they are lowly. So people make friends with you because of that thing where they want to get from your hand. Yeah. So na different ways. And different things they make some people make friends with you. So before you see friends, they say they follow you the way you say they follow them. You say, okay, this person really be like me. And before you go see that person will be like you, you feel they jump the wrong one, you know. And so some friends, if they like maybe say if they do wrong, you cannot correct them. I don't make friends like that. Maybe say you don't feel correct them. You don't feel that say what you want to do, except now what she want do, now she want do. But she go want advise you, but she not the take. I don't follow like that too. So my dear people, just be careful for the kind of friend you they make. When I see that marriage, this kind of person not be positive person. When you're the look a friend with bad eye. It happened to me. So stop pretending, bad friends. Stop pretending. So thank you. Take care. Until I come your way next time, because this video now just to advise our people, just mind the kind of friend we they meet with. Just mind the kind of friends, because some friends just they evil art now they get towards you. They don't like you. They don't even like your progress. You know? And what they surprise them is as they do wish, you see they go forward. You see they go forward. The thing go they pain them. You go they pepper them. You go they pepper them. Pepper them. Bolale pepper them. So as they plan for your downfall, you go they pepper them. Pepper all those bad friends. Pepper them. Do they pepper them? The thing go they pay them for body. They go they see you. They go they cry. They do them like that. So that they go no say as they do reach this person, you see they go forward. You go they sleep, they go they cry for us. That's what it could be. So thank you everybody. Take care. Bye. Share this video and like my video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and share this video for me. So what do you think about this friendship? Just leave your comment for the comment section. Bye everybody. Bye.